Hey everybody, same question then about ethical and professional issues. Let's use the scenario. So, Collier has until recently kept important documents such as title deeds, insurance certificates in a safe place at their head office. Okay. However, there's been a number of thefts from their head office and the directors have asked us whether they can hold them at our premises, where Carter. Okay. So, holding legal documents. Do you think it's okay for us to do that for somebody? Okay, does it affect our independence? Does it affect our objectivity? Not really, does it? You know, we're just holding documents for them. So I think you'd say that's okay, obviously, unless legally you're not allowed to. But yeah, I think as long as there's no legal restriction, that's okay. All right. Then it goes on to say, well, one of the things that might make you think, well, it's not okay, is because it's a risk to us, isn't it? There is a reputation risk, I guess, if we lose the documents. And you might think that because there's already been thefts at the client, so what if we get the goods stolen as well? So that might also make you think of, do we have the skills, the know-how to do it? Do we have the premises? Do we have enough security to do it? Would it be well, that will do for now, I think. Let's not go crazy. The partners of Carter & Co, that's ourselves, we're considering offering a custodial, a looking after service to all clients, some of whom may want to deposit tangible assets such as paintings purchased as investments. So if it's paintings, etc., then we've definitely got a risk, haven't we? Tangible assets, definitely the risk of theft. But also, we are an audit firm, so we have to think about, do we have the resources to do it because we're an audit firm? Let's keep going. It says the fee charged for this service would depend on the value of the item deposited. So if the fee depends on the value, and remember, again, I'm using the scenario. So this wouldn't be in the textbook anyway, would it? I'm using the scenario. Fee depends on the value. You have to think of something to say about that. So you think, right, from a professional, remember, auditors are just business people, audit firms are anyway. So if it depends on the value, we want high value items. And high value items means there's more risk. And we need more resources, etc., etc. Okay. There's also a risk, if it's your clients, of confidentiality, isn't there? Who will get to see these? Okay, we need to have really, really good procedures to make sure nobody else sees it. The other issue might be, if it's a big lump of cash, it might make you think about money laundering regulations. If people are asking you to hold their goods, well, you need to know where these goods came from. Okay, so that's about it, I think, all the things that you could say on that one for ethical and professional issues.